What is Crizzlacking, everybody? Today is Wednesday, hump day, July 7th, 2021. Survived Elsa, the hurricane, that whatever it was, blazed through here last night in the early morning. It's still a little windy out here, but as you see, the sun is shining. It's about 10 in the morning. Doesn't look like it's gonna rain or anything. It's pretty nice out here. We really didn't get, you look out here, there's nothing, really. I don't know what we got, but I slept right through it, so it must not have been that bad. Anyway, another Tabata workout today. 20 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest. 12 exercises equals 1 round, 3 rounds, 6 minutes around, 18 minutes of work. We want to get this done in case the wind does kick up enough and knock our camera over, which we do not like. So I didn't want to bring too much stuff out here today because it is a little wet, not too wet, but a little bit. So I got a heavy med ball. I got a different ab roller. This ab roller is not just going by how you push, it actually has a little resistance, so a little bit harder for the abs today. And I got a band out here for some band jacks and stuff. Plus we'll do some sprints and stuff like that. So that's what we got. Let's get it started, shall we? Oh, by the way, 310 workouts today. That's why I gotta hold this. Number 310. That's how many workouts we got written down. 310. We are blazing this year and last year. It's a whole more than a year we've been doing this, so keep it up. You can check the YouTube, go back and look at all the videos we've done. Although I didn't start posting them until like late in the summer, I think, but whatever. Anyway, let's get jacked. Let's get shredded. Let's get started. Start that clock. First thing we got, take the band. We got band, jumping down. So we're gonna hold it here. And we're gonna jump out. Pull it overhead like that. Get a little arm resistance while you're doing a jumping jack. Oh, it's definitely gooey out here. Not gooey, but the ground is soft. It's gonna suck, probably get all dirty. As you notice, I'm dirty already from carrying the stuff out here. Next, we got sprints. Sprint all the way up to that last cone and back pedal back. Got it? Good. Bring it up. And back up. That's it. Push it, push it, push it, get that speed. The faster you do it, the more time you have right here to rest. Med ball up and down. Remember, it's an 80-pound medicine ball. And it's dirty. We're gonna pick it up, drop it. So, legs, up, legs up, drop. Down, legs up, drive it, up, drop. Legs up, drop. Pick it up, legs up. Pretty good. Ab wheel. Okay. Let's go the right way this. Gonna go out. Remember, it's a low one. Good thing they did the grass yesterday because it was pretty high. Next, band pull apart hops. So, sort of the same thing, but we're gonna pull it to your chest. Oh, sorry. Oh, what am I doing? Just hops. Start doing jumping jacks. So hop, up and down, pull to the chest. It's good for your coordination too. As you see, I got confused. Plank sideways walk. So, get to a plank, we're gonna walk sideways, like this. 1 foot, spread, like that. Keep it in the plank, go way over, come back. Whew. That is dirty. Med ball overhead press. But, so, try to pick it up, overhead. Get it up here. Yes. Oh shit. And press. Nice. Drop. Down. Up. One more. Try to get one more. Come on. Up. That was rough. Back to the ab wheel. All the way out. All the way out. Out. Up. 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 Woo. 4-way hops. So, up, over, back, over, up, over, boom, boom. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Bear crawl. There's a dark cloud coming over there. Bear crawl up 10. You can either backward bear crawl or turn around. Now come on up. Bear crawl that shit. Fast. Turn around. Watch the speed right here. Watch the speed. Watch the speed. This is what Neil the grinding wheel's known for. A speedy bear cross. Med ball shoulder toss. Back to this heavy med ball. It's brutal. Up. Flip it. Up. Flip it. Up. Flip it. One more. Come on. Up. Flip it. Woo, love it. Love it. All dirty. Last but not least, back to the ab wheel. Up. Up. One more for good luck. Yes. Love it. That's your one round. 2 more to go. Get a break. Get some water. Whatever you got to do. It's hot. That was brutal, I must say. Harder than I thought it was going to be. I was trying to this will be quick and easy on the field. No such thing as quick and easy. Anyway, like, subscribe, share, comment, turn, just not get grind. Even on a hurricane day, we don't stop. For those of you who are sitting home and, well, not just Florida, but any state, and you're like, make excuses. Hurricane, oh, it's windy. It's raining. We'll do it inside. You could always do something. Your excuses is your weakness. Don't be weak. Don't make excuses. Get your ass up and do something. It's not going to kill you to do something. It's going to make you stronger. So, Neil the Grinding Wheel, peace out.